Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the sound and vibration, and then to the phone ringtone. So here you can select one of these pre-installed ringtones. You can add your own by selecting any audio file from your device's memory. If you have one, of course. I don't have any custom ringtones, so I'm just gonna select one of the pre-installed ones. We can listen to some of them. I actually like this one the most. I don't want even to listen to other ringtones because this one is the best. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.